Thank you everybody for joining me again. I'm going to be planting some plants in my apiary.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Alright, I'm about to do some gardening. So I hope you were able to see the mites that I was talking about in those videos of the bees. Such a sad thing to see, really. But now I'm going to do some gardening. I am in a bikini top now because I'm sweating buckets. But what I have going on, I'll show you. Got some sunflowers, watermelon, and scarlet runners. Well, I have some sticks in here for the scarlet runners to grow on, to climb, so I'm just going to put 3 in each pot at the bottom of each stick for now. I believe this is a flower from last year, so I'm not going to pull it out. And so I'm going to put a couple sunflowers. They're just the dwarf sunflowers. I have some watermelon that I just happened to find, so I'll probably just put 1 or 2 in each and let them crawl over the edge. And then I have some plants coming next week that I will, from the Georgian Bay Biosphere Reserve, that I'm going to put in here too. And those were donated to my apiary, so that's nice. So I've planted all my little guys. I got my scarlet runners, 3 of them. I put 3 sunflowers, 2 watermelons in this one because it's a little further out of the way. And then my other plants are coming. I forget what they're called. When I get them, I will show you, and we will plant those as well. She's a hot one out here. We got, I think it's looking really good. I'll take you for a tour when I'm done planting everything. This one actually has a lot of growth, and I think these are flowers from last year. I think. So I'm going to take some of these out because some of the planters don't have anything, and just transplant and then put my plants in there. Simple thing that I've taught myself called the leg sweep, and this is for when you're crouching in your apiary or your bee yard and it saved me a lot from getting stung, because I'll show you what happens. So the bees will land back here. So before you crouch down, just go like this, or as you're crouching down, go like that. And then you'll sweep all the bees, because I've gotten stung a lot from having bees just in between this part of my leg, and they sting me.